Our two core products were developed through 50 years of research by scientists and quantum physicists, researching plants and the whole molecular structure of the 44 most nutrient-rich plants on Earth. Knowing through their research and their scientific research that life on average should be about 120 years for humans. Researching over 150 million different combinations of which plant molecules combined with other plant molecules to create the perfect combinations from nature to give the body what it needs to be the optimal solution. The science team was funded by European royalty in about 1920 for the purpose of finding the causes of aging and the causes of diseases and to find solutions. That research was fed into a supercomputer in the early 1970s by a new science team from Europe, who were very aware of the original science team of the findings they did in their original research. If that sounds like a fairy tale, it is not a fairy tale. Using the supercomputer to analyze the 50 years of research, the new science team, which formed in 1973, formulated liquid gold, what is now known as iHerqules, because it is the most powerful combination ever, and accomplishing what no other product has never been able to accomplish. Select doctors from Europe have sold the product and used the product to successfully treat many patients since 1973, over 50 years ago. Over 25 years ago, one of the science team from Europe moved to the USA as head of the science team for America. And since then, many millionaires, billionaires, politicians, Hollywood stars, and many others have been using these products through select doctors in America. In certain circles, this product has been known about for over 50 years. Many people consider iHerqules to be the scientific breakthrough of the century. You have heard my story and my situation, and there are many just as good as mine. From every situation you can think of. No, we do not cure anything just exactly the same as nothing cures anything. But most of the time, nature is the best medicine. The reason there is no other product that can accomplish what iHerqules can do is because natural products cannot be patented. The pharmaceutical industries fund research for products that can be patented. The original science team, who were not associated with this company, they were funded to do the 50 years of research they did. The new science team owns that research, or they have access to it. The science team created iRevive for the treatment of third-degree burn victims where there was no skin left, nourishing and healing while regrowing the skin. Many people refer to iRevive as the miracle cream. Many Hollywood A-list celebrities use iRevive daily. iHerqules and iRevive accomplish what no other products have ever been able to accomplish. Think about these two statistics in America. America is 34th on the list in countries in terms of life expectancy. And in America, we begin building plaque in our veins, arteries, and blood vessels at the age of 10 years old. There's no wonder that we're 34th on the list in terms of life expectancy. iHerqules is the only product ever that can begin to open up your blood vessels and improve your microcirculation in only 4 months, and rejuvenate your body's organs in only 3 years, and rejuvenate the bones and the skeletal structure in 7 to 10 years. iHerqules is also the only product that has been scientifically documented by an accredited lab through case studies of 1,500 participants in the case studies and found to reverse your biological age by 10 years to as much as 30 years. The tests were conducted by a third-party government-approved lab who won the Nobel Prize in 2009 for research in the field of biological age reversal. They conducted tests on several products. The tests were conducted through 4-month-long case studies on each product they tested. The most biological age reversal they ever found in any product they tested was a 3 to 5 year biological age reversal until they tested 1,500 people using iHerqules for 4 months. And the results were true biological age reversal of 10 years to 30 years with documented proof. How is it that iHerqules is the only product that has been scientifically documented to reverse biological age by 10 years to 30 years in only 4 months? The answer is nature and quantum physics. Why were the case studies 4 months long? Because the life of the red blood cell is 4 months long. There is no other product that can penetrate the connective tissue. iHerqules penetrates the connective tissue. The red blood cell is connective tissue, which is responsible for distributing oxygen to the cells. That is the reason iHerqules can begin to open up the microcirculation system in only 4 months. That is the reason the organs can be rejuvenated in 3 years. It takes 3 years to penetrate the cells of the organs of the body. That is the reason the skeletal structure can be rejuvenated. It takes 7 to 10 years to penetrate the cells of the skeletal structure. There are no other products that can do any of this because no other products have been able to penetrate the connective tissue, the red blood cell. From nature through quantum physics, iHerqules nourishes and penetrates the red blood cell. Premium nutrition, the likes of which the body has never seen. Vitamin manufacturers either extract the vitamin from the natural source or they are made artificially. In either case, the body doesn't recognize them. The body does not know what to do with them because when extracted from the natural source, it is no longer natural. The majority of supplements available on the market today are made artificially. These include vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, amino acids, and everything else. Vitamin manufacturers manufacture vitamins that are patented. You cannot patent nature unless it was man-made, unnatural nature. Our products, through extensive research of 50 years, they took the whole molecular structure, the whole molecule, the fiber, the vitamins, the minerals, the antioxidants, the whole molecular structure in its natural form. And the body recognizes it. And the proof is in the blood work, which the documented case studies proved. This is not a case of my nutritional supplement is better than yours. There are no other products, period, that can do what iHerqules and iRevive do, period. 80% of Americans use some kind of a nutritional supplement regularly, and I am sure they would prefer to use one that actually works. They just need to know about them. And all of this information creates incredible opportunity. In December 2020, the company was given the marketing rights to market iHerqules to the public through this company. Now even the doctors get their products through this company because this company is now the only place to purchase these products.